Kaleidoscope. In addition to all the cool stuff you get in your bag, here, you're going to need something to decorate with, markers, pencils, etc. Some scissors, some tape, and a pencil. Alright, so to start this, we are going to attach our little mirror pieces to this piece of paper that's found right in here. So, the way we do that is this is actually sticky backed. First of all, we're going to remove the blue protective coating so you can see that this is mirrored. And then on the back there is a protective covering of white. There, now we have our mirrored piece. And then this works by, we're going to fold it inwards. And these are going to have each of these mirrors that are going to be reflecting off of each other. And a reflection's really just light that has bounced off of us and kind of scatters everywhere. And that light carries the signal to our eyes of what we see. But when we go to a mirror, the mirror has a tendency, unlike other things kind of scatter it everywhere. The mirror brings it straight back. It goes out of the mirror, straight out. And so we see a fairly true picture of what other people would see if they look at us with their eyes. And in this case, the mirror is actually reflecting several times back and forth, kind of caught in a loop here of the reflections, and will create patterns out of anything. So you can see it kind of creates a pattern out of the table, and we're going to use that to our advantage. So we have this little tube to see through. We're going to fit this in here. It should fit nice and snug. May bow a little bit, but it should be just about the right size. Cut these so that they would fit perfectly. All right, now let's look at what the next thing says to do. All right, we're going to get our straw. Oh, there it is right there. And we're going to cut it down just a little bit. Make sure you don't cut the short end, the longer end. We're going to leave this off to the side for another craft. And then we're going to tape this so that it runs off the edge just a little bit like that, because we want to be able to bend our bendy straw part. All right, so now that we've got that, we are going to cut out our templates over here. Your circle templates. And we're going to find approximately the middle. It doesn't have to be exact. I want to say maybe right around here. And just use a pencil or something mildly sharp. You can even use the ends of your scissors if you want to cut a hole. Just go ahead and push it all the way through because it has to fit on the straw. All right, now let's get to decorating. All right, now that we've decorated this, we're going to take this and we're going to slide it on here, and then you can bend your straw over so that it kind of fits snugly on the end here. And let's get closer to the camera.